Today I've got something brand new from DeWalt that I'm really excited to check out. The Jobsite Open-Ear Pro Earbuds with charging case. These are designed specifically for people who work in really noisy environments, but still need to stay aware of what's happening around them. So first, we're going to unbox the set together, take a look at everything that comes inside, and then I'll walk you through all of the key features that make these earbuds perfect for the job site. Here's a close-up look at the packaging. The model number for your reference is DXMA1902096. All right, let's see what we've got inside the package. Here's a look at the earbuds themselves, and they are marked right and left. There are control buttons right here on both sides, and I'll go over that in just a second. Okay, here's the rugged charging case, and it does have like a hard plastic, and it appears that the charging port opening is right there, and it does come with a Type-C charging cable, which I'm assuming is in this little box here. It's a daisy. All right, so here's also the owner's manual, and then the Type-C charging cable is here. So let me get you a couple measurements real quick while I've got my tape measure out. This measures about 3.5 inches. This tape measure is pretty worn. I've used it a lot, but 3.5 inches by about 3 inches. And then depth wise, it's about 1 inch and like 1/8 in depth. And then the cord, like I told you, it's Type-C. You're going to need your own power cube though. And this measures, looks to be 3 feet long. That's just the cable, not including the little plug-in areas. So, all right, this would go here. Then this plugs in, and then this opens. All right, so here's the case, and it's marked right and left. So your right one goes right there. And they actually have like a little magnetic property that kind of like pulls them into place. So they do click in like that. And I'm gonna have to find out, I'm sure this lights up. Let me go find a power cube. I found my favorite DeWalt power cube. This pretty much has everything you would need on it, and it folds up, and I'm pretty sure I have a video on this somewhere on my channel too. So I'll link it if I can find it. So all right, let's plug this in. I've kind of got lights going here, but there are indicators. I don't know if you can see with these bright lights, but that is charging. And then I'm sure when it's fully charged, all of those bars will be lit. Okay, these are the parts I'm going to go over real quick. Obviously, this is the ear hook, and they show it going on like this. And then it seats on your ear like that. Speakers right there. That's the multifunction button right there that you'll push to toggle through. Those are those magnets that help it like clip into the case. Watch what happens when the earbud goes in. That little green indicator lights up, and there's a tiny little button here that you can push if you want to go back to the factory settings. And then the microphone is this tiny little part right up here. Here's a quick rundown of the most important features. To turn the earbuds on, all you have to do is open the charging case. They automatically power on. To turn them off, just put them back in the case and close it. The LED light will stay on for 5 seconds. To play music, you can click either multifunction button while still listening to the audio. To forward to the next song, double click the right multifunction button while listening to the audio. And then to go backwards, double click the left multifunction button. To increase the volume, press and hold the right button during music or calls, and to decrease, press and hold the left button. To activate something like Siri or a voice assistant, you can triple click either multifunction button. To answer or hang up on a phone call, you can click either multifunction button, or to reject an incoming call, you can double click either multifunction button. Those are the most common ones. There still is a lot of information I didn't go over as far as charging and like run times in certain situations. It would make this video way too long and too confusing. So look that over in your own time. Okay, now let's talk features, because DeWalt really packed a lot into this little setup. I mentioned the open ear design, which is super important. I know a lot of my followers are working on noisy job sites. You have to be aware of your surroundings. Safety is key, and these were designed with that in mind. You're going to get 11 hours of runtime on a single charge. Now, if you use that paired with the case, that does extend it to 44 total hours, which is perfect for an entire week on site. They're IP55 rated, which means they're water and dust resistant, and they're built to handle real job site conditions. And the ergonomic design makes them comfortable enough to wear all day. Really, once they're on, you can't even feel them. And of course, everything DeWalt builds is built tough for professional use. All right, so let's connect it to a device. So to pair, you open the case. It's going to send out a signal to your devices. Bluetooth. So I'm picking up some stuff on my computer here. DeWalt Pro neckband, wearable speaker, DeWalt Open-Ear Pro, connect. Oh, you wouldn't be able to hear that, but it just said connected. All right, so it is connected, and that's pretty much all you do. If I had my phone not recording, it probably would have picked that up as well. So now they're connected, and I can listen to music through here, which is going to be hard to videotape because how are you going to hear that? But let me try. Now I got to be careful because if I play music that I would normally listen to, YouTube is going to flag it as a copyright violation. So I'm going to have to go on YouTube, and I'm sorry, if I can get it to play music, it's probably not going to be anything that we would really listen to, but let's do it. I'm going to click on the first thing. Okay, so here's some music, and I just want to hear it. Ooh. I don't know if this is going to get picked up. I'm going to try to hold it so you can hear it. All right, the sound is crystal clear. All right, let me see how much I can hear that's going on around me. I mean, you can still hear stuff. All right, so if there's noise going on around you, you can still hear that, but you can hear the music predominantly. I'm really impressed with how good the music sounds. I've had a lot of products from DeWalt Mobile Solutions, and each time they get better and better, and I know a lot of the representatives personally, and I know that it can take years for one product to be good enough to come to market. These definitely are. If you are a DeWalt fan and you like to have the newest thing, I would have absolutely zero qualms about recommending this. It's superb. I'm not quite sure what these retail for, but if I can find information, I'll include shopping links at the bottom. If you enjoyed this unboxing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss my next review. I've got plenty more tools and gear coming your way. As always, I thank you so much for watching, and until next time, take care.